Hello YouTube, a quick look at my Walther P22 CA ammo check. It is a very nifty, lightweight, fun to shoot 22 caliber pistol. I have Cerakoted at a gunsmith to this watery grayish color. Has the Viridian C5 Green laser mounted on the rail, and it's very lightweight, as well, of course, 22 pistol should be. And that is it. This was probably my second purchased pistol. All right, and I have no regrets. Of course, if you have a collection of some handguns, I just could not live without getting my first 22 caliber pistol. All right, thank you.